Hello students, today we will start with the topic Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a third-party module which we generally use when we have to analyze data. It can work on the offline dataset as well as on the online dataset. As I said, this is third-party module. That means I have to install this module by using pip command. How you can install it? You have to go to command prompt and you have to specify your path here on which your Python folder has been existing. In my system, it is existing in the C drive. I will change directory C cd Python. That means currently I am in the C drive, then in the Python folder. Then I will write pip install name of the module. This is the way by which you can use any third-party module. I am using Matplotlib here. I will press enter. You must check your net should be working when you are going to install your third-party module. Yes, it has been installed. Then how can I check it? I can open my ideally and I will write here import Matplotlib and then press enter. If I'm not getting any error, that means my module has been successfully installed. Otherwise, you have to reinstall it. Then the complete module name that we will use in the program is matplotlib.pyplot. Matplotlib means there are some functions that makes Matplotlib to work with the MATLAB. MATLAB means a mathematical lab. Suppose we are having some x coordinate, y coordinate, and some functions, mathematical function. The Matplotlib will help us to work on these type of stuff. And pyplot function will make some changes to a figure. Changes to a figure means suppose you want to create a figure, you want to create some plotting area in a figure, you want to create some line graph, you want to create some scatter graph, histogram, and you want to decorate your graph by using some labels and legends. All these type of things that we can use it by using the pyplot function. Firstly, we will start with the line graph. We can make any type of graph by using the Matplotlib. We will do some examples of these type of graph. Firstly, we will proceed with the line graph. Uh, in the program, you can see here, I'm writing import matplotlib.pyplot as mat. I'm using mat as an alias. You know there are certain ways by which you can import your module in Python. First is you will write import name of the module. You can write from module name import star. You can also write import module name as alias. Here I am using alias method to import module. You can use any method. This is not the mandatory condition that you will follow the same. Then in line graph, we know we are having one x coordinate, we are having one y coordinate. On the x axis, we are having some values here. I'm taking some offline data sets in the form of list. That is the minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 3. The Python interpreter will distribute your x-axis starting from 1 to 3 range accordingly, and your y-axis the minimum value is 4 and the maximum value is 7. The interpreter will distribute the y-axis starting from the range 4 to 7 accordingly. Then is mat.plot. Plot is a function which you use when you are going to create your line graph. You are going to create line graph between the x and the y. Then in the parameter you will pass here x value and then the y value. X value means your 1, 2, 3 value has been passed here, and in the y value that means your 5, 7, 4 value will be passed here. You will make one legend here, that is label equal to false. This is not mandatory. This is just when you want to decorate your graph by using some legend. You can write anything here. Then you want to give some value or some name to your x-axis. So you want to create a line graph between cost and the speed. Then you will give the name cost to your x-axis with x label, and you want to give name to your y-axis as speed with the y label. Then you want to give the name of your graph as a analysis graph. You can write anything on the instead of cost, you can write anything instead of the speed, you can write anything as the title name. And then mat.legend, the legend name I have defined here label equal to first. To show it, I will write mat.legend here. Okay. Then is mat.show. To show your plotting area on your screen, the function is mat.show. How does it work? I will show to you. I will run this program. You will get the output on your plotting area. Then I will go line by line again. That is, first is to import a module, then is x-axis. Check your x-axis. It is 1 2 3. Now check, it will start from the 1 and it will go up to 3. Then is y-axis, the lower value is 4 and the upper value is 7. It will distribute 4 to 7. Then you have to make a graph between x-axis and y value. You check the first value, the first indices value of the x and first indices value of the y. It is 1 and 5. That means your x-axis should lie in 1 and your y value should lie in 5. That is the first point on which your first value has been fall. Then you will check the value of x is 2 and y is 7, value of x is 2 and y is 7. This is the second point. And then is the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 4. This is your third point. Now is, as I said, you can write label. This is your label by which you can show this is first. If you will deactivate the legend here and you will check your output again. There is no visibility of legend here. To make the legend visible, it is mandatory that you will activate it. Then on the x-axis, you will write cost. On the y-axis, you will write speed, and the name of the title of the graph is analysis graph. With this is the graph that you will get after running the first program. Now the second program, this is again the line graph, but this is the line graph that we will get after that program. I will start here. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. plt is an alias that I am using here. Then on the y-axis I am using views, that is, it is for the viewer graph for YouTube videos. How many viewers have been seeing the YouTube videos? You have to make analysis according to the day range. In the day range, instead of defining a list, I am using a range function starting from the day 1 to the day 8. That is, it will depend upon how many days that you are going to take here. You will make a range accordingly, and the views value that you will take, either you can take online dataset here. I am taking here static values. Then is, this is my y-axis, this is my x-axis. Here I am writing plot again. Plot means I have to draw line graph again. Then instead of x I'm writing days. Then instead of y I'm writing views, and the label name is YouTube viewership. In the previous program I have written here first. I didn't mark any color and marker in the previous program. You can enhance that by using different type of functions. The color I'm defining here is black. Marker is D. D stands for diamond. And marker face color is red. What all this stuff is, I will show you by running the program. Line style is dashed. Line width should be 3. X label is number of day, Y label is YouTube views. In the previous program, X label was cost, Y label was speed. I am writing here number of days, YouTube videos. Later, same title is the viewer graph for YouTube videos. The new things in this program is color. That is K. K stands for black. You can go to the internet. You can find out various type of color that will that you can use while writing a program. You will get the code of all these colors. Marker is D. D stands for, I said, diamond. Marker face color is red. What does it mean? It means firstly x-axis is number of days, then is y-axis is the range of the viewership, then is the, as I said, diamond should be the marker and the color should be red. This is the diamond. You can use anything instead of the diamond. Line style is dashed and the width should be 3. All this type has been defined here. The line style is dashed. This is diamond and the with the color red. This is the range of the number of days. This is the range of the YouTube views. Then we will proceed further. Firstly, I will run this program and I will show you the output. This is the same output that I have shown to you in the presentation. You can amend this according to your choice. Then save as PDF. You can save this graph in PDF form, in JPG form. And the program is same that I have written previously. Then one line that I have added here is mat.savefig. Savefig is saving that figure. Then you have to specify the path on which you want to save that graph. I said I want to save this with in the D drive with the name neha.pdf and the format is PDF. I will write. You can see I have saved this and this is the name of the graph, that is neha.pdf, and this was my first graph that I have shown to you. मैं तो नहीं खानी हूँ हाँ जी हाँ जी